Hi, future billionaires. This is Finvest Alert, your one-stop channel for getting alerts of detailed tutorial videos on how to make money online. Now you don't have to worry about searching for the right keywords or prompts to use while searching for a well-detailed financial tutorial video. Finvest Alert got you covered. Today, as usual, we have interesting videos for you and where you can find them. Therefore, sit tight and grab a cup of your favorite beverage. Let's dive in. Today, the only channel we have to introduce to you on affiliate marketing is well detailed in its explanation and can help you make a lot of money.
I'm going to show you exactly how we went from $0 to $15,000 in just 2 months without spending a dime on ads. So this is all from free traffic. But before I get into the video, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications because we're going to be showing you many different ways to make money online and you're not going to want to miss any of our upcoming videos. In this training, I'm going to show you exactly how we were able to get these results right here on this screen. We did this with 100% free traffic and we didn't spend a dime on ads. I'm also going to share with you the exact affiliate product that we use and are promoting right now and how you can do the same. Also, if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to give you 2 bonuses that are the key to making thousands of dollars online. So you're definitely going to want to make sure you stay to the end of this video. Okay, so let's dive in. So the first thing I want to talk about is what is affiliate marketing? I know many people have no idea what affiliate marketing is, and you may be wondering the same thing. So I'm going to break it down for you right now. Affiliate marketing is literally just promoting a business's products or services and getting a commission of the sales when someone purchases through your link. So you don't have to worry about creating a product, you don't have to worry about customer service, and you don't have to worry about shipping anything. Your only job as an affiliate marketer is driving traffic to that business's sales page. The great thing about affiliate marketing is it's not your job to do the selling, and that's actually what a lot of people think, and it's a big misconception. It's not our job to do the selling, it's actually the other business's job to do the selling. All we do is provide the traffic. I truly believe that affiliate marketing is one of the easiest businesses that beginners can use to start making money online. Okay, so let's talk about what you actually need to go from $0 to $15,000 a month with affiliate marketing. It's actually super simple. So the first thing you need is a good high-ticket front-end affiliate offer. You can get that by working with a company that offers a good high-ticket offer. Now, I'm going to share with you the one that we use to get the results that you saw on the previous page, and you don't have to worry about finding one of your own, unless you have one in mind already. But we'll get to that in a bit. The second thing you need is a good back-end offer that complements the front-end offer, and I'm going to show you the one that we use later on in this video. The last thing, and what I believe is the most important thing, is step number 3, and that is providing value to your audience. It's very important to always provide value and good quality content. This is the key to creating a successful affiliate marketing business with 100% free traffic. Now, there are many ways to provide value to your audience. I'm going to share with you the way that we did it and how you can do it too without having to spend any money on ads. Okay, so enough background information. I'm sure you're wondering how to go from $0 to $15,000 in just 2 months, and I'm going to get into that right now. Okay, so what I'm showing you here, it's called a sales funnel. Now, what is a funnel? A funnel is the journey through a series of web pages that your potential customer will take to go through and purchase your product. You can create a sales funnel by using an online funnel builder website, and I'm going to show you the one that we use, and it also has an email autoresponder built right into it, and I'll share more about that in a bit. So let's break down what I have on this screen right now. Step 1 is always to drive traffic. The free traffic source that we use and started with is TikTok. So in the beginning, we created a brand new TikTok account, and we created content that we knew our audience would love and find value in. After they saw the content, we would give them a very clear call to action on what to do next, and usually that would be to click the link in our bio. After they click the link, they will be brought to our opt-in page. This is the first step in the actual sales funnel. Now, the best part about this sales funnel is that you don't have to do any of this manually. This all will be automatic, and all you have to do is drive traffic to the front-end offer. So on the opt-in page, this is where you're going to have a little bit of information about the affiliate offer, and then it'll ask your customer or your potential customer for their email and name to move forward in the process.
And there you have it. The name of this channel is Twinkie Hustle, and the title of the video is How to Start Affiliate Marketing for Beginners, $0 to $15,000 in 2 months. Free traffic method. Go now and check it out. Remember to leave your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to know what you think. Subscribe for more insights, and I'll see you in the next alert.